welcome back. Today's video we are going to be doing a PR unboxing. I do these videos every single Friday here on my channel where I save up all of my PR packages and then we open them together, we do swatches, look at all of the new makeup releases. So if you're ready, let's go ahead and get started. Alright kids, I remembered the box cutter, which is always a good sign. This first box here is going to be from Benefit. This is their Club Pink box. I receive packages from them monthly as a part of their Club Pink. So let's see what we have. So it looks like we have Gimme Brow. So it says Gimme Brow Volumizing Gel. And so here's what the card looks like here. So there are a bunch of different shades in the Gimme Brow. The shade that I normally use is number 3. So there's 1, 2, 3, 3.5, 4, 4.5 now, 5 and 6. So definitely a lot of shades in the Gimme Brow, which I do like having a backup of that one. So that's always good to have. So this next box here came to my P.O. box and it says it's from Nails Inc. I'm not sure who that is. So let's see what it looks like they sent over. So it actually looks like it is some skincare products. And I don't see a card or anything in here, but the paper says nailsinc.com. Okay, so this is Holler and Glow. I think that is the brand. I'm not sure if that is the actual brand, but here is some of the things. We have the Fried Out Replenishing Hair Mask Sheet. That's pretty cool. So like a mask for your hair. We have this one here, which is the Hangover SOS one. We have this one, which is the Unicorns Exist, another hair mask. These are actually really cute if they have like the little unicorns on the actual masks. And then we have these Money Honey eye bags as well. There are a couple different ones of those. We have this one, which is a Stone Charcoal Sober Mask. And then we have a hand one as well. So one for the hands. And then the last one, this one here is a Brightening Illuminating Get Lit. I think that this is a sheet mask. So there is that one there. Let me know if you guys have ever heard of this brand, but I'm definitely curious. I love trying new sheet masks and hand masks and all those things, so thank you. Okay, so up next we have a box from Colourpop, and I'm hoping this is their new watermelon collection because it has like this coral box. So I'm fingers crossed that that's what's in here. All right, it is the watermelon collection. I'm so excited. So I do have a coupon code with Colourpop. It's just 5 Molly, and it will save you guys $5 off a $10 purchase at Colourpop. I am so excited, especially for this palette. I think it looks so pretty. So this is like their birthday collection, their watermelon collection. This packaging is so cute. So this is the Main Squeeze palette. I love the fact that it's actually this harder packaging and that it does have a mirror as well. I love that. So here is what the inside of the palette looks like. Obviously it's a lot of like reds and oranges. Definitely a very melon vibe. I'll go ahead and swatch a few of the colors here for you guys. So here's just a couple of swatches. So we also have one of the Dear Summer bundles. So this one actually has 2 different products inside of it. So we have the Wish Me Luck, which is a glitterly obsessed body glitter. And we also have the Sandcastle Supernova shadow in here. And here is the Supernova shadow. So here is the glitterly obsessed. I'll go ahead and swatch it for you guys. This is like that glittery, like pasty formula. And I'll go ahead and give it a swatch. So here is the swatch of it right there. I think I had red on my hands, so I just got red in it. So it's actually supposed to be more of like a clear glitter. I think I just messed it up though because I had red on that finger I swatched it with. So let me see. Okay, here. Yeah, so that's a better swatch of like what it actually looks like. Although if you put it on over top of the red, I mean, that's actually really pretty. But there's a swatch of what it really looks like, and then that's how it looked like with the red mixed in. So that's kind of funny. Show you guys the Supernova shadow as well, so you guys can see what that looks like right there in the end. And then there are quite a few more products still in here. So up next we have an Ultra Matte Lip, and this one is in the shade Melonade. That's cute. So here's that one right there. And then we also have in here another Glitterly Obsessed. Here's what that one looks like. And then there is still another Super Shock shadow in here as well. This one is in Birthday Tree. Actually looks really cute. And then we have the last thing in here, which is the Slice of Life bundle. This is an ultra glossy lip bundle. So in here, I think you have 2 different ultra glossy lips that look very juicy and nice for spring, summer. I love this collection. I think it's so fun. Let me know if you guys want to see like a first impressions, kind of trying all the products out. I know I did some swatches, but let me know if that's something you'd be interested in. Okay, the next box here is from OFRA Cosmetics. So inside it it looks like they sent over the Talia Mar, the rest of the collection. I think she was the one that came out with those highlights. I have one actually in front of me. I've been using these. So yeah, she came out with 2 different highlights. They had the Soho one and then the other one. I've been really liking these. So she also has, it looks like, some skincare products. So we have the Royal Vitamin C Moisturizer, which is right here. And then we also have the West End Vitamin C Micellar Water. That actually sounds really good. So that's going to be an actual spray micellar water. That'll be cool. And then also the last thing in here is a Tea and Biscuits C Scrub. So it's a prepping vitamin C scrub. I really have never tried any skincare products from OFRA. So this will be fun to kind of dig into these and give them a try, see what I think of them. So thank you, OFRA. I am an affiliate with them as well. If you guys are interested in purchasing these or any other products from OFRA, you can use my coupon code MAKEUPMOLLY at the checkout. All right, the next box I am grabbing is an unknown. I'm not sure who this is from. Oh, I didn't know I was going to be getting this. Okay, so this is from MAC, and this is the Aladdin collection. How fun. You want to know what's funny is I've actually never seen Aladdin. I've never seen the cartoon, like none of the Aladdins ever, so I'm actually wanting to go see the new one in theaters. A lot of people tell me like I should see the original one first, but I don't know. I kind of like just like going in blind, you know, because I really don't know too much about the story. Obviously, I know like magic carpet and that whole thing, but this is actually a really cute collection, so I'm excited to have this one. So let me show you guys. So I don't know if this is the entire collection, but it looks like they sent over quite a lot of the products here. So this one I'm pulling out first. This one is it says a powder blush, but I think that this one's going to be a highlight. It looks more like a highlight to me. Super cute packaging right here. And then this one here is another powder blush. I don't know why MAC does that with their packaging. When they're actually like highlights, they call them blushes. That happened in their last collection where they called it like an illuminating highlighter, and it was actually a blush. So I don't really get why they do that with their packaging. This one looks like a bronzer. So I don't really know about that. So I'll have to give these a try and just kind of see what I think of them. And then we also have some other products here. So this one here is the Glaze Gloss. Really, really cute. Again, really nice packaging here. I think I want to do like a first impressions with all of this, so I don't want to like swatch everything. I'm sorry. I know I'll probably do this on Monday's video because I'm really, really interested in this. And then here is the eyeshadow palette. And then super cute eyeshadow palette right here. I really, really like this shade right here. Super, super cute. So let me know down below. Actually, I'm already doing it because I'm that excited about this collection and I didn't know I was getting it. So yeah, stay tuned for that. It'll probably be on Monday's video. I'll be testing out all of these products. All right, you guys, next up we got a package from Line Prime. This is their new Sun-Kissed collection. So we have quite a few products to this one. I know I've seen their like freckle pen going around, and that one has me really curious to like try it out. Up first we have the Sun-Kissed face palette. Very cute packaging with like the yellow. And here is the inside, very, very pretty here. So you have some highlights in here, bronzer, blush, and that yellow shade is definitely very, very interesting. Kind of reminds me of like the Trophy Wife, you know, like the highlight from Fenty. Super cute with this. So also in here we have an eyeshadow palette as well. So this one is the Venus XX Sun-Kissed. So it's just a little quad right here with 4 different colors. I'll go ahead and do a couple swatches of these so I can show you guys. The like matte shades look really pigmented, so there's a couple little swatches here. So we have the matte shades, and then also I swatched one of the shimmers right here. Super, super cute. Loving all these yellows, reds, oranges. Love all those shades for spring. Also in here we have a couple different lip products. So there is like this orange lippy, and then also this right here is the freckle pen. I am just so curious about this. Let me pull it out so I can show you guys. So here's what it looks like. I'm not sure if it's like liquid. No, it's actually like a pen. Interesting. What do we think? Okay, let me do a couple little swatches here so I can see. Kind of just doing some dots so you can see them right there in my hand. I would be really interested to see if this like really looks like freckles. I'm always into the faux freckle look, but I can never like do it right, if you guys know what I mean. And we also have Soft Glow liquid lipsticks, a couple of different shades of those. super cute collection from Lime Crime. A big thank you to them for sending this over to me. I'm so excited to try out all these products. So up next we got this little thing here from BUXOM. Okay, so this is their new collabs that they came out with. They came out with 4 different new lippies that are all in collaboration with different men in makeup, which I think is amazing. I do recognize a few of these guys right here, so super cool. So there are 4 different shades all together. So we have Cole, Jose, Samuel, and Zachary. So 4 different shades. And they are all full-on lip polishes. So let's see what Cole's looks like first. Here is Cole's right here. Really pretty. It almost looks like more of a little bit of like a metallic. I'll go ahead and swatch it so we can see. Here is a swatch of Cole's one right there. Really, really nice. Up next we have Zachary's, and this one's more of like a golden right here, like almost like a metallic gold shade. And then we also have Jose, and this one is a purple, which is fun, like a purple. Actually kind of matches my shirt right here. And then the last one is Samuel's. Go ahead and swatch this one for you as well. And this one is like a bright, fun, like bubblegum pink shade. So go ahead and give this one a swatch here as well. And here is a swatch of that one. Those are the 2 that I think I would wear the most. I think those brighter shades like look really fun, but I don't know that I would get so much use out of these ones, so I'll probably save those ones for a giveaway for you guys. But these all look really pretty. A big congrats to all of those guys. That is amazing that you get to collaborate with BUXOM. Such a cool collaboration. All right, so we've got 2 more packages left. This next one here is from Rimmel London. So they sent over this mailer here. So this is their Scandalous Eyes. This one here is in a micro eyeliner. We also have, this one is a Scandalous Eyes Bold Liquid Eyeliner. We also have part of their Scandalous Eyes. This one is a soft pencil eyeliner. And then we have 2 more right here. This one here is a thick and thin eyeliner pencil, again, like a pen. And then we also have this one, which is the eye kohl. So this one's like a nude eye kohl for the waterline. So I'll go ahead and give one of these liners a swatch. Let's see which one. I think I'm gonna go for the 2-in-1, like the defined tip, because I think that this one actually seems really cool. So this one kind of has like a bit of a curve to it. I'm curious about it. So for some reason I thought this had like 2 sides to it, but I think it just has the one side. I can't really figure out how to switch it. So I think it's just this, so I'll go ahead and show you guys. So here's a swatch of it. So I'm guessing if you like turn it on the top, you get like a straight line, and then if you kind of bend it to the side, you can get more of like a thicker wing, which is nice. So there's the second line there. So you can get it to do like a thicker wing like that, or a like thinner line with your liner. So if you kind of turn it to the side, it does a thicker, and then a thinner if you kind of use the top of it. Definitely gonna give these a try. I am always looking for new liners. I found one from Neutrogena that I do really, really like, but I'm always finding good drugstore ones. I swear they have really good liners, so I bet this one will be really nice. Okay, and then last up we have this box here from Covergirl. So this actually came in like this really nice little box right here that I could totally just like reuse and throw some stuff in it. So let's see what we have. So it says, look fit for royalty, super cute. And it says that this is their royalty collection. All right, so here is what the inside of the package looks like. A very nice presentation right here. These are pretty. Okay, so this first one is the Covergirl Rain eyeshadow palette. Very, very nice packaging right here. And here's the inside of it. Love this layout. It's kind of fun. So we have a bunch of different shades in here. I'm gonna swatch the blue because you guys already, ooh, wow. That looks really pigmented. I'm just gonna give it a swatch. Wow, look at how intense that is. I wanna know why I wasn't expecting that. You know, sometimes like drugstore eyeshadow palettes don't always have like the biggest punch to them. So sometimes I always kind of just like, ooh, this is pretty. This looks really, really promising. And let me do one more of the like champagne ones right here. These shimmers look really, really nice. I'm not sure if they have other palettes here that have mattes because this is an all shimmer palette, but there are quite a few of these in here. So there's actually the Overthrown palette, the Revolution palette, and then we also have the Ascension palette right here. So these all have different shades. So let me see if any of these have mattes in them or if they're all gonna be shimmer. No, this one actually looks like it has mattes in it. Cool. So this is the Revolution one right here. So I'll give the mattes, ooh, they feel really nice. Some of the swatches here as well. So there's a couple of the matte shades. These look really promising. I'm actually really, really curious to see what all of them look like and to try them all out. And then there are also some other products in here. So we have these right here, which are their Turned Queenship. These are cream eyeshadow sticks. Oh my gosh, so there's lots of different colors in these, lots of different eyeshadow sticks here. And then also in here, there's another palette. This one is the Turned Queenship palette. So this is kind of like the regular layout right here. And then we also have and then we also have these, okay, which are some liquid glitters. Loving this by Covergirl. Okay, so this one here is, I think it just shade number 3. I think that's all it says. It says Exhibitionist on it, so I think that these are their Exhibitionist liquid eyeshadow. Oh, okay. Look at that. Wow. That's really, really pigmented. This has me very excited. Okay, let me try another one. Let's do the champagne one right here. This one looks really pretty. This one just says number 2 on it. And I'll do a swatch of this. I kind of low-key want to try all of this stuff. Oh my gosh, look at that. I am obsessed with all of the pigmentation that this collection is giving off so far. For drugstore, I mean, this looks amazing. Lift this up, oh my god, this is too adorable. There is a crown in here. Oh my gosh, a full crown for my head. This is very heavy though, oh my gosh. Okay, so a crown, how cute. What, I think I have it on wrong. I think this needs to be on the front. There we go. This is the front of it. A little crown here, if you will. This looks so exciting. I'm so pumped about this collection. I feel like Covergirl, dude, they just kind of kill it with their launches sometimes and they just blow me away, but these swatches look pretty amazing. So definitely let me know if you guys want to see your first impressions. I have so many things this week that I'm like, I want to do videos on all this stuff. So let me know down below what you guys want to see. That was our last box for this week. So do not forget to give this one a thumbs up if you enjoy these hauls. Definitely comment down below which launch or which collection you are most excited to see, and I will film those for you guys. And also, don't forget to subscribe before you go, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye, friends.